In this video, I'll show some interesting things you can do with drag and drop for verse references in SwordSearcher. On the left, I have a PDF file open that I downloaded from the internet. It's not from SwordSearcher. On the right is my SwordSearcher window. Let's say I'm reading this Bible study and I want to look more deeply into these verses here. It would be nice if I could just load these into a verse list in SwordSearcher. Here's one way to do it without using the keyboard. On the search menu, I'm opening the Display Verses tool. I could type in all the verses I want to read, but there's an easier way. Going back to the PDF file on the left, I'm going to select the text with my mouse. Now that the text is selected, I'm going to drag it to the Display Verses tool in SwordSearcher. I just click and hold the left button, and keep the button down and drag it into the entry box. After I let the mouse button up, all of the referenced verses from the text I selected are entered for me. I'll click OK to load the verse list. Now all of the referenced verses are shown here, and I can use the verse list as a jumping off point to study each one or simply read the context. I'll show you something else. I'm going to drag and drop some different text. Notice where I'm dropping the text. This is the toolbar button for the Scan Text for Verse References tool. I'm going to release the mouse button right over this toolbar button. I've dropped the text onto the toolbar button, and now the Scan Text tool is open for me with the text. A different video shows how to use this tool, called Scan Text for Verse References. It's a way to quickly examine the text of verse references from any source. I just wanted to show you how to open it with drag and drop. There are lots of ways to use drag and drop. For example, I can do a quick Bible search like this. Here are my search results. If you want to start a Bible study at a verse reference, you can drag text into the Go to Verse box. SwordSearcher will use the first recognized verse reference. You can also drag and drop text within SwordSearcher itself. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other videos on the SwordSearcher website.